Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Toyota Sienna with a key. First, make sure your Sienna is in park or neutral. Then, insert your key completely into the ignition cylinder. Turn the key to the on position, allowing the vehicle's systems to power up. This brief pause helps the fuel pump prime and the computer perform its checks, ensuring a smooth start. You're almost ready to go. Sometimes, your Sienna might not start immediately. If the engine cranks slowly, your battery might be low and need a jump start or replacement. If you hear a single click but no crank, it could be a starter issue. Always ensure the key is fully inserted and turned firmly. These simple checks can often resolve common starting problems quickly, saving you time and hassle. Even with a smart key, a dead key fob battery can cause issues. If your remote functions aren't working, you can still start your Sienna. Use the hidden physical key blade to unlock the driver's door manually. Once inside, insert the key directly into the ignition slot. This action bypasses the need for the fob's battery, allowing you to start the engine as usual. It's a great backup method. To keep your Toyota Sienna starting reliably, regular maintenance is key. Periodically check your battery terminals for any signs of corrosion and clean them if necessary. It's also a good idea to keep a spare key fob battery in your glove compartment for unexpected situations. And speaking of being prepared, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed on the go. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.